My name is Engineer Alfred Isaac. In this video, I want to introduce this mobile block machine to you. As the name implies, this is a mobile block machine. Now, this is how it works. It mold the block and then move forward and then mold again. So before I start, I want to show you how it works. We use the start push button and then the stop push button to operate it. So for now, what I want to do is I want to show you how the moving part works. So from the beginning, that's how you do it. You press the start push button, then the whole machine will be ready for production. Then see on the moving part. I'm going to operate the top plate. So see how it moves. From this, you can move the top plate up, and then with this push button, I can move it down like this. Now it has gone down to the lowest point. I can move it up again with just a push button like this. Then the whole thing goes up. Then the second part is the mold. The mold is the unit that contains the block. Now now the mold is down. I can bring the mold up. So let's see how we move the mold up. So the mold up, this is the mold, but this is the push button. So with this push button, I'll take the mold up, and then I can also take it down. So these are the moving parts. It's very simple to use. And then we come to the vibrator or the vibration. So let's see. With the vibrator too, you only press this one. There's a push button that controls the vibrator. So if I press it, so you can hear the noise. The whole machine vibrates. Okay. Okay. Then again, after the vibration, you can move the machine forward or reverse. And as you can see me, you can operate the machine by standing outside the machine like this. Or also you can sit inside and then operate the machine. So let's see. If I stand outside, I can move the machine forward or backward. We have the forward push button. Then we also have the reverse push button. So let's see the forward push button. If I press it, it will move the machine forward. As you can see. If I want to go back, I only need to press the reverse push button. So let's see it in action. Okay, so the machine goes forward or backward the way you want it. Then again, I can sit on it like this and then drive it like any other car. On it, I have a stick with which I can control the tires, so I can control the entire machine. So from here to, I can move forward or move backward. Let it move forward a bit with this. If I want to go back, I only need to press the reverse push button. So I think that is it. This is how it works. Now the second part of my video, I'm going to use it to mold the block for you to see. And let's see. Let me give you 4 reasons why you need this our machine. 1, we produce the highest quality blocks we can get in Ghana and the whole of Africa. Why? Because we have conducted several research for over 10 years on this block machine. We have done research and development. We are not talking about research that you write materials and put in books in our universities. No. Here we've done the research and then development. We have developed this machine for several years. We've gone through several building and testing. So our block is the highest that you can get. The quality of this block is the highest you can get in the whole of Ghana and the whole of Africa. In fact, it's the global standard. It meets all the global standard. There's no machine in Ghana or in Africa that can compete with ours. And then 2, with this machine, we have it in sizes. This one produces 6 blocks at a time. Then at the same time, it has the highest labor reduction. We reduce the labor drastically because most of the machines use about 7 labors to operate, and normally the output can be less than 1,000 blocks. But with this machine, we use only 2, 1 operator. One will do the mixing and then one will operate this machine. So basically we have only 2 operators, but we can produce 3,000 blocks in 8 hours. This one has this one produces 6 blocks at a time. We have the higher capacity ones. There's one that can produce 10 blocks at a time. And the total output for 8 hours is 5,000 blocks in 8 hours. Then we have the one that produces 20 blocks at a time. And in that case, you can produce 10,000 blocks in 8 hours. So in fact, in terms of labor reduction, we are the best. And then also, we reduce the production cost. Because once you are using more laborers, you end up increasing the production cost. So ours, you offer the highest labor reduction or the production cost. Then again, the machine, we have it in sizes. This is a mobile one. We have the stationary one too. That one too can produce the same number as this one is. So we are advertising this machine to whoever has interest in block production. Or if you want to go into any business, this is the best business opportunity you can get. Now let's look at the analysis here. There's no taxi driver or there's no taxi that can make a sales of 1,000 series in a day. But with this block machine, if you produce 3,000 blocks and you make 1 series on each block, in a day you can make a profit of 3,000 series. If you come for the high capacity one, in a day you can make a profit of more than 5,000 series in a day. So we are advertising this machine to whoever has interest in block production. I think it's the best you can get in Ghana and the whole of Africa. In fact, it's a world-class machine that whoever has interest in producing blocks, this is the best you can get in our market. One of the problems most of the African countries one of the problems that most African countries we have been facing is we have been using old machines. As of now, global production has become more competitive. So if you use 1940 machines, you can never be competitive. So this is the most competitive machine you can get in the whole of Africa, and it meets all the global standards. We are the #1 in Africa and almost among the best in the world. Okay. Okay. So this is the second part of our presentation. This time we are molding the block. So as you can see, now you already have the mixture inside. That the aggregate inside the sand, cement, and the water mix. So now let's see how the vibration works or how the whole system works. So let's go back. So before I start, you press the start push button like this. Then first you bring the plate down. So the plate as it is, I can bring it down. So you can see now it's down. Now level the vibration. So from here, this is the vibrator. Okay. So now after you vibrate, the whole thing has been compressed down. So let's see what has happened. Now I can move the plate up and see. So the plate up, let's see. So the top is not cracked, so we can fill it up. Okay, so pause it. Bring it here. So that is it. After vibrating, this is how the top looks like. Now still we haven't, so I'll vibrate it for the last time, then you remove the whole block. Okay, so now let's see. I'll bring the plate down again. So the top plate will go down, then I'll do the vibration again. So let's see. So the vibration like this. So I think that is it. Now the block is okay. So let's see how you are going to remove it. So for us to remove it, the top plate remain where it is. Then the mold, I will now move the mold up. So take it to the show it here. So as the mold is coming up, so you see, this is how it is. The mold will come up like this. Okay. So at this point, the vibrator, the plate too has to go up. So at this point, the plate will go up. The plate goes up. Okay. So, and the mold too can still go up. Okay. Now the block is exposed. Now let's go to the back of the machine to see the block. Bring it back here. We'll bring it at the back. So make one more So it down. So this is the entire block. So now it has 6 blocks. So this is it. So we now have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 blocks. So that is it. Now watch here as I'm going to move the machine so that we leave the block here. So keep it here whilst I'm moving the machine. So now